Welcome back to another OneMonroe Minute. Today we're going to be taking a look at polymers and some of the different types that we use in manufacturing here at OneMonroe. OneMonroe utilizes a diverse array of materials to manufacture high-quality end products tailored to meet the specific needs of various applications. Our extensive material inventory ensures that we can provide the exact specifications required for your projects. As for manufacturing material types, here at OneMonroe, they're divided into two main categories: polymers and metals. Today, we're going to be focusing on polymers. Polymers are a type of natural or synthetic substance made up of very large molecules that are multiples of smaller chemical units, known as monomers. Polymers are categorized based on their origins, structures, and thermal properties. Different types of polymers that we have available include polyurethane, nylon, Teflon, cellulose, and rubber. Some advantages of polymer materials are that they're typically malleable, inexpensive, lighter, and easier to work with than metals. They also have a low melting point, embed color easily, and are chemical and dent resistant. Some of the cons are that they're less durable, have limited heat capacity, and have no UV inhibitor. They also may yield lower quality results than metal and can possibly degrade easier. From seals and gaskets to plastic living hinges and extrusions, polymer materials make up a large amount of the OneMonroe catalog. To learn more about the many materials that we have available for manufacturing, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you next time with another OneMonroe Minute.